Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about reverting Google Chrome's theme or general configuration back to the earlier design pre-2023, 2024 timeframe. So I made a tutorial of this nature, I believe 2 or 3 months ago at the time of this recording, and there were some slight changes that they've made since to add additional settings you have to adjust in order to achieve the result that we're looking for. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Chrome web browser just to start. And you just want to go ahead up to the URL bar, type in Chrome, and then a colon // flags. So exactly how you see it on my screen. And then proceed to hit enter on your keyboard. In the search flags field, there's going to be three different things we're going to be searching for. First one is going to be smooth scrolling. So you want to go ahead and click the drop down here. It might say default, enabled, disabled. It doesn't really matter. You want to make sure it's set to enabled here. And then you want to go back into the search field up at the top, delete whatever you typed in to get to smooth scrolling, and then type in Chrome refresh. Best result should come back with Chrome refresh 2023. If you're seeing too many entries in here, you can just go ahead and just type in 2023 at the end and go ahead and disable all of these refresh options in here. And the interesting thing is there's even more options in here that weren't here, to my recollection, even a week or two ago. So, this is constantly changing. This might not always work for everyone. In all likelihood, this will not work, at some point in the future, but this is what's working for right now. And then there's one final thing you want to search for as well, which would be customize Chrome side panel. And you want to go ahead versus customize Chrome side panel, that whole entry right here. Go ahead and click the drop down and select disabled. And now at this point, you go ahead and select the relaunch button. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.